Say you write a function to average integers, but immediately need identical logic for floats, doubles, and longs. Function overloading, copying code and swapping data types, scales poorly and introduces massive bloat. We must condense these into a single blueprint. To resolve that bloat, we have to shift our approach. Instead of writing explicit, hard-coded types, C++ allows us to build generic blueprints, known as templates. We can convert our explicit function into a template by replacing the specific data types with a placeholder variable, conventionally a capital T. The compiler doesn't automatically know what T means. We declare that generic placeholder for the compiler by adding the syntax template:type name T directly above the function. If you pass uniform data types, the compiler easily deduces what T is. But if you pass mixed types, like an integer, a float, and an integer, you trigger a type deduction conflict. The compiler panics and throws an error that T is ambiguous. We can solve this conflict with two solutions. We can explicitly force the data type by adding angle brackets during the function call, or we can modify the template declaration to accept multiple distinct type variables, like T and U. Trusting the compiler to automatically deduce your variable types leaves room for fatal compilation errors. Defining your types explicitly during the call is a core safety practice in generic programming. Now let's apply this to an entire data structure. Pause the video and see if you can use that exact template syntax to convert this basic integer-only class into a generic class template. To solve this, you simply declare it at the top and swap the internal integer variable for T. There is a major friction point here. If you defined any class methods outside of the main class body, you are strictly required to redeclare that template line directly above each external method. Class templates let you build foundational data structures exactly once, completely decoupling the architectural logic of the class from the specific data it eventually holds. Understanding class templates is the prerequisite for using the C++ standard template library. When you declare a common vector of integers, that explicit int tag is plugging into the generic placeholder logic we just built. This cheat sheet summarizes the core template syntaxes you need to remember: the standard function template, the multi-type template, and class template instantiation. Mastering templates eliminates the need for manual code repetition and provides the architectural foundation required to work with the C++ standard library.